Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, January 4th. I continue reading essays from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening to You this week, and today's essay is called Live Slow Enough. You can find it in the book under February 1st. So I'm going to read it to you, and then as always, we're going to do a little practice around it. Live slow enough. Follow anything in its act of being, a snowflake falling, ice melting, a loved one waking, and we are ushered into the ongoing moment of the beginning, the quiet instant from which each breath starts. What makes this moment so crucial is that it continually releases the freshness of living. The key to finding this moment and all its freshness again and again is in slowing down. Live slow enough, and there is only the beginning of life. Often, when we are inconvenienced, we are being asked to slow down. When we're delayed in our travel or waiting for a check in a restaurant, we are being asked to open up and look around. When we find ourselves stalled in our very serious and ambitious plans, we are often being asked to refine the beginning of time. Unfortunately, we are all so high-paced, running so fast to where we want to be, that many of us are forced to slow down only through illness or breakage. In this, we are such funny creatures. If we could see ourselves from far enough away, we would seem like a colony of insects running into things repeatedly. Thousands of little determined beings butting into obstacles, shaking our little heads and bodies, and running into things again. Like the earth that carries us, the ground of our being moves so slowly, we take it for granted. But if you should feel stalled, numb, or exhausted from the trials of your life, simply slow your thoughts to the pace of cracks widening. Slow your heart to the pace of the earth soaking up rain. And wait for the freshness of the beginning to greet you. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be slow, easy, natural. See if you can find some spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now let the energy of all that feels urgent rush through you. Where in your body does this urgency reside? Is it more in your head, your heart, your belly? Now feel the support of the earth beneath you, and let this rushed, urgent energy move through you and into the stable, grounding base of the support that the earth always provides. Breathing easily, slowly. Send all this hectic energy into the ground. Let it pass from the top of your head all the way down to your feet and into the ground. Allow it to happen again and again, moving the energy of anxiety, urgency, this hectic energy into the ground. And as you visualize it, maybe even audibly exhale, sigh. Slowly allowing yourself to land in this moment, right here, right now. Consciously slowing down your thoughts to the pace of cracks widening. Slowing down your breath to the pace of the earth soaking up the rain. Slowly opening your heart to the freshness of this moment. And from this grounded, slow, receptive place, allow yourself to receive whatever you truly need. Maybe it's a sensation. Maybe it's a visual of sorts. Maybe it's a message you need to hear. How does this feel in your body? How does this feel in your heart? How does this feel in your mind? Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for taking a few minutes out of your day to do this exercise, to consciously slow down, to arrive into this moment fully. And send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to notice whenever you feel this anxious, urgent, rushed energy, and see if you can consciously slow yourself down and wait for the freshness of life to greet you, if only for a few fleeting moments. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.